Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, we'll show you how to use a tool called Attributor to capture UTM parameters with each new booking in Acuity Scheduling so that you can track which campaigns and ads are generating your leads. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in the browser. Then when they complete a booking form on your website, Attributor passes through information about where they came from, and it is captured by your scheduling tool and can be sent to your CRM and other places. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google Ads, which of your campaigns generated the most new customers, or how much revenue you got from each ad you're running. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you are using, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section of your website, and paste it in. Now go to your Acuity account, navigate to the intake forms section, and create a new form. You then need to add 6 new questions to your form, give them specific names, and then make them hidden. Instructions for this can be found in the docs on our help site. Finally, you then need to enter your embed URL and a few other details into the tool in the help doc, and then copy and paste the customized embed code it gives you onto your site wherever you want the Acuity Scheduling widget to appear. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes the widget on your site, Attributor will pass through information on where they came from, and it will be captured in Acuity Scheduling. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.